I've built this gun. I call it the SF5. Shoot fire 5. 5 stands for the 5 yellow bullets in here. This is the mag. Inside the frame. Then I got those things. I'll clap them over. Those things will hold the bullets in place. And if you're loading the bullets, you only need to click this one off, so you can load them easier. Then you turn it like this, and your bullets will not get pushed out by your firing. This is the trigger, the stock. A slide for what's this thing called? It's a bolt action. So this is only some kind of slide to hold this battery in place. And I got a bayonet. You can get this off like this. And if you push on it, this is the normal size. If you push, this green one will fire out. We'll do it now. See, it shrinked. Yes, this is working if you stab someone, but don't do it very wild, because then the whole blade will break. Putting this back, waiting a second, it's back in place. I'll put it back here. This is a piece of my old crossbow. I just destroyed it because it wasn't so good as I think. This is the barrel. I got the visor here. You can look through. Can't really see the other thing, but try to get a better in. See that small black piece at the end? That is the front. That's here. Now we'll fire the target. Okay, I can make this powerful or sharpen some rods, but I'm not sharpening. This is a bit stronger than I normally shoot. Okay. Empty. You see, it has power. One shot got this, 3 stones out. This shot got 2 shots out and 1 almost. 2 shots out. Destroyed place. But the wall is still standing. I will reload. This off. This 1. This 3. 4. 5. Put it back in place. Let's fire. Aiming. Oh. Reloading. empty. This was my F5, SF5. Shoot, fire 5. Shoot, fire 5. 5 stands for 5 yellow bullets.